Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Hello and welcome. In this video, I will explain how to remove your BMW 1 Series gear knob. This task is quite simple, often taking only a few minutes, and you won't need any specialized tools. We will go through each step carefully to ensure a smooth and safe removal. It's important to follow these instructions to prevent any damage to your vehicle or yourself during the process. Let's get started with the preparation. Before attempting to remove the gear knob, proper vehicle preparation is key. First, always ensure your BMW is parked securely with the parking brake fully engaged. If you have a manual transmission, shifting into second or fourth gear can provide a more stable position and better leverage for the upcoming pull. For automatic transmissions, selecting either drive or neutral is usually recommended. This positioning helps stabilize the shifter shaft. Next, you might need to address the shift boot. If your boot is separate from the knob, gently pry it up from its console base. It's usually held by clips. Now, for the main event. Grip the gear knob very firmly with both hands, placing them as low as possible on the knob. It is crucial to position your body carefully. Lean back slightly to create good leverage and prevent accidentally hitting yourself when the knob suddenly releases. Now for the final step. With a strong, decisive, and swift motion, pull the gear knob straight up. It is held by a pressure fit, so expect it to release quite suddenly. Many people report needing significant force, so be prepared for that sudden pop. Once removed, installing a new knob is straightforward. Simply align it with the shifter shaft and push down firmly until you hear or feel it click securely into place. Double-check its stability before driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.